In this video, I wanted to look in a bit more detail at our exciting new title, Improving the Nutritional and Nutraceutical Properties of Wheat and Other Cereals, which is edited by Professor Trust Beater at the University of Manitoba in Canada. Part 1 looks at advances in understanding the nutritional properties of cereals. Part 2 looks at techniques for developing nutritionally enhanced cereal products. Well, to give you a better idea of what the book is like, I wanted to pick out a couple of chapters to look at in more detail. The first one is chapter 4 from part 1 on dietary fibres and the prevention of type 2 diabetes mellitus by Ellen Blank of Maastricht University in the Netherlands. As the chapter shows, research suggests that high intake of insoluble cereal fibres or whole grain products rich in cereal fibres reduces the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The chapter reviews the latest research on the mechanisms of action of insoluble fibres, prebiotic dietary fibres and soluble viscous fibres. Well, the second chapter I wanted to pick out to illustrate what the book is like is in part 2, in its chapter 8, on wheat flour fortification and human health, and it's written by Helena Pachon of the Food Fortification Initiative and Emory University in the United States. This important chapter reviews research on the health impact of wheat flour fortification. It assesses the evidence of the effect of fortification on conditions such as neural tube defects, cancer, folate deficiency, anemia, iron deficiency and haemoglobin levels. Well, I'll finish, if I may, by quoting a leading expert in the field, Professor Bruce Hammaker of Purdue University in the United States. And he's been kind enough to comment about the book. This is a timely and important book on the positive nutritional and health value of wheat and cereals in human diets. Well, we're sure this book will enrich your own research on cereal science and technology.